Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you EVS lesson number 13, our diet. So let's start and see this video carefully. What is diet? We eat some food preparation as a part of our meals every day. We also eat some snacks between meal times. Besides, we might also have milk, tea, coffee or juice. All that we eat during the day is together called our diet. Why does our food intake differ on different days? Sometimes we are very hungry and we eat a lot. That day our food intake is more. At sometimes we do not feel hungry and we eat very little. That day our food intake is less. At sometimes we do not feel hungry and we eat very little. That day our food intake is less. Diet differs according to age. Diet differs on the work done by the people, physical work. When doing a certain kind of work, we make a lot of vigorous movement. Such work is hard on body. It is called as physical labor. Physical labor makes us very hungry. Sedentary work. Some kind of work can be done sitting at one place. It does not take hard physical effort to do it. Such work is called as sedentary work. People who do sedentary work don't feel hungry as those who do physical work. So some of the people are sitting and doing the work, they don't feel hungry. And those who do physical works, they feel as more hungry. Variety in diet. See this picture, students. We eat food depending on how hungry we are, that is, our hunger determines how much we eat. We also need to consider which food items we eat. Different people include different items of food in diet. If the same combination of the dish is prepared every day, then we have to eat some type of food all time, which makes our meal boring. In region where rice grow in plenty, rice become major part of diet of the people living there. In region where jowar or bajra are major crops, people include more of bhakri in their diet. In certain region, wheat is the major crop. People in those region eat more chapatis. Fish is available plenty in sea. Therefore, people in Konkan have a lot of fish in their diet. Depending on the season, we get different vegetables and fruit at different times of the year. Accordingly, the food item in our diet also change. When it is a ceremony, special dishes are prepared. We make sweets specially when we celebrate a festival. When it is ceremony, special dishes are prepared. We make sweets. What care should we take care of about our eating habits? Sprouted pulses and leafy vegetables should be included often in our diet. yogurt. We also should have yogurt and buttermilk occasionally. The food items shown in the advertisement, we are tempted to buy them. They are tasty. Their wrappers are attractive, but that does not mean that they are also good for health. All that we eat and drink in a day is together called diet. Age, physical level, and the state of health cause diet to differ from person to person. Diet also changes according to the food items available in different seasons. The foodstuffs readily available in different regions are different. This brings about the diversity in the people's diet. Eating a variety of foodstuffs in our diet helps to meet all the food related needs of our body. The attractive and tasty food products that we see in advertisement may not be necessarily good for health.